Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to translate Messenger messages to English. If you've been searching for a way to translate any language messages in Facebook Messenger, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To translate Facebook Messenger messages to English, first of all, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in Messenger, find and open an individual or group chat from which you want to translate a message. When the chat is open, you'll see all the messages you've sent or received. Now, locate the specific message you want to translate. Here I am going to translate this Japanese message to English. Once you've found the message, long press on it. A pop-up menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. You'll see various options. Among them, tap on Translate. Sometimes the Translate option might be under the More option. If the translation option doesn't appear, please update your Messenger app to the latest version. Once you select Translate, Messenger will automatically detect it and translate it to English if the message is in another language. The translated message will appear in the same place as the original text.